Hey kids, let's make three-letter word with vowel A and U. Read with Ava. B, T. What is missing? Correct. It's A. B-A-T. Bat. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. The bat cookie is ready. B, T. Do you know which letter is missing? Correct. It's letter U. B-U-T. But. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Yeah! Our butt cookie is ready. B, G. Which letter is missing? It's A. B-A-G. Bag. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Our bag cookie is ready. B, G. Which letter is missing? Correct. It's U. B-U-G. Bug. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Yeah! Our bug cookie is ready. F, N. Which letter is missing? Correct. It's U. F-U-N. Fun. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Fun cookie is ready. F, N. Which letter is missing? Correct. It's A. F-A-N. Fan. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Our fan cookie is ready. J, G. Which letter is missing? Correct. It's U. J-U-G. Jug. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Yeah! Our jug